बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल लर्न मैथमेटिक्स बाय आबिद हुसैन। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैरियत के साथ होंगे। ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू अवर एक्सरसाइज 2.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 14। इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, okay, find the derivative with respect to x of square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x. Solution: assume that y is equal to square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x. इसको हम डायरेक्टली सॉल्व करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है। कर तो सकते हैं, मेन यहाँ पर हम क्वेश्चन रूल अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, बट थोड़ा मुश्किल है, इसलिए हम इसको पहले रेशलाइज करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, रेशलाइजिंग दिस फंक्शन, मल्टीप्लाइंग एंड डिवाइडिंग दिस डिनोमिनेटर टर्म्स, we get square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x divided by square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x, mean rationalizing. Okay, next, multiplying numerators terms and denominator terms. In numerator we have square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x, and also square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x. Same terms are multiplying, so their powers will be added. So square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x whole square. But in denominators, our terms are same. These two terms are same, but symbol between them are different. Here plus sign, here minus sign. So multiplying these two terms, we get square root of 1 plus x whole square minus square root of 1 minus x whole square. Positive and negative other terms are cancelled out, then we get this one. Okay, now open this square of this in numerator, mean a square plus b square minus 2ab. At the place of a, here square root of 1 plus x square, at the place of b is square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, a square means square root of 1 plus x whole square plus square root of 1 minus x whole square, minus 2 into square root of 1 plus x into square root of 1 minus x. Okay, divided by this square and root are cancel out. Square and root are cancel out. This one we get at the place of this 1 plus x, this minus multiplying with these two terms, we get minus 1 and minus minus plus x. Now this minus 1 and this plus 1 also cancel out. Square of this term and square root also cancel out. We get this one 1 plus x plus 1 minus x minus 2 square root of. Now multiplying these two terms, we know that if two terms in square root and multiplying with each other, then which can be written in a single square root. Okay, हम जानते हैं कि दो टर्म्स आपस में मल्टीप्लाई हो रही हो और उनके ऊपर अलग अलग स्क्वायर रूट हो, तो उनको हम एक स्क्वायर रूट में लिख सकते हैं. ठीक. Okay, now this positive x and negative x are also considered. 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 2 square root of 1 plus x into 1 minus x, multiplying, then we get 1 minus x square. Taking common 2 from numerator, we get 2 into 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 at the place of this square root. And now this minus, this 2 and 2 are cancel out. This 2 cancel out. We get 1 minus into 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 divided by x. Now differentiate with respect to x. We get dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx into this term 1 minus into 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 divided by x. Here we will apply quotient rule, mean division rule of a derivative. And in division rule, we know that first of all, take the square of denominator. So here denominator is x. So square of x, denominator is same, and derivative of numerator. This term is the numerator, so derivative of 1 minus into 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 minus from formula into numerator same and derivative of denominator. यहाँ पर हमने क्वोशिएंट रूल अप्लाई किया. क्वोशिएंट रूल हमने ये पढ़ा हुआ कि अगर दो टर्म्स आपस में क्या हो रही हो, डिवाइड हो रही हो, तो क्वोशिएंट रूल ये होता है कि डिनोमिनेटर का स्क्वायर इनटू डिनोमिनेटर सेम डेरिवेटिव ऑफ न्यूमरेटर माइनस न्यूमरेटर सेम डेरिवेटिव ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर टर्म्स. ओके, now this one over x square, this one into x as it is. Now taking derivative of this term, we know that the derivative of 1 is 0 and minus derivative of this here we apply power rule. Power come before this function, we get 1 by 2 into subtract 1 from power 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 minus 1, and again taking derivative of inner function. हमने पढ़ा हुआ कि जब भी पावर रूल अप्लाई करते हैं, पावर शुरू में आती है, पावर में से एक सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं और जो इनर फंक्शन होता है उसका फिर से डेरिवेटिव लेते हैं. तो यहाँ इनर फंक्शन जिसका मेन पावर थी वो 1 minus x square minus as it is, and 1 minus into 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 as it is. Derivative of this x is 1. We know that dx upon dx is 1. This x is this one. Okay. Next, 1 upon x square as it is into x as it is. 0 minus this term also equal to this term minus 1 upon 2 into 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 2 into. We know that derivative of 1 is 0 minus derivative of x square is 2x. Power come before this function 2, x power 2 minus 1 is x power 1. Okay, and 0 minus 2x is equal to minus 2x. So here we write only minus 2x into minus, multiplying this minus 1 minus minus plus into 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2. Okay, this power is negative, move from numerator to denominator, it will become positive. Now my plus this x and this x is x square, this minus and this minus is plus, and minus 1 plus minus 1 plus into 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 as it is. Now taking LCM, here LCM is 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2, we get x square minus, multiplying this by this 1 minus 1, we get 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 plus this plus is as it is, and multiplying this term with this term, we get 1 minus x square, because when we multiply this same term, their power will be added. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2, 2 and 2 cancel, we get power 1. So we write here only 1 minus x square divided by 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2. Okay, now here this positive x square and negative x square are cancelled out, we get this 1 is positive, so write first term minus into 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2. This at the place of this 1 by 2 we can write square root, so which is our required solution. Okay, question number 15. Let y is equal to x square root of a plus x divided by square root of a minus x, which can be written as x into a plus x over a minus x whole power 1 by 2. Right? At the place of square root we write its value, which is 1 by 2. Okay, this. Now next, differentiate with respect to x. Here we have two functions. First function is x, and second function, this whole function is called second function. Okay, then we applying product rule. We know that what is product rule. First function as it is, derivative of second function d upon dx into second function plus second function, this second function as it is, and derivative of first function. First function is x, so d upon dx into x. This is called equation number 1. Now derivative, we know that here this is called equation number 1. Now we solve just this portion first of all, and putting answer of this portion in equation 1 at the place of this. Okay, we know that derivative of a plus x divided by a minus x whole power 1 by 2, taking power rule, power come before this function and subtract 1 from power, and again taking derivative of inner function. हमने पढ़ा हुआ जब भी किसी फंक्शन की पावर हो तो पावर शुरू में आ जाती है, पावर में से हम एक सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं और उस इनर फंक्शन का फिर से डेरिवेटिव लेते हैं. Okay, so 1 by 2 as it is, 1 by 2 minus 1 mean taking LCM we will get minus 1 by 2. Here we have two functions and which are dividing with each other. So we again applying quotient rule. What is quotient rule? Square of denominator. Here denominator is this term and numerator is this term. Okay, denominator is same. Derivative of numerator mean d upon dx into this, minus from formula into numerator same, and derivative of denominator this one. Again 1 upon 2. Okay, listen here carefully. A plus x upon a minus x whole power minus 1 by 2, whole power minus 1 by 2. But when we take reciprocal, mean we move this a minus x from numerator to denominator, and this a plus x from denominator to numerator, its power sign will be changed. So power will make 1 by 2 positive. Okay, from negative sign change into positive sign when we take reciprocal of these two terms. Again here a minus x as it is, We know that a is constant, derivative of constant 0 plus x is variable, dx upon dx derivative of x is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 0. So we write only here 1 minus a plus x as it is, and derivative of a is 0 minus as it is derivative of this x is 1, so which is minus 1. Now this minus and this minus will become plus. Okay, so we get a minus x into plus a and plus x. Okay, because these two terms are positive, this minus and minus become plus. A and minus a and plus a cancel out, we get this one. A plus, no sorry, minus a and minus x are cancelled out. We get a plus a is 2a divided by a minus x whole square. Move this term a minus x whole power 1 by 2 is positive power. वो move from numerator to denominator, its power will become negative. Mean इसकी power ऊपर positive थी, नीचे लेके तो इसकी power क्या हो गई है, negative हो गई है हमारे पास. Okay, next हम देखते हैं कि ये 2 इस 2 से क्या हो जाएगा, cancel. अच्छा, these so two terms are multiplying with each other, a minus x whole power minus 1 by 2 into a minus x whole power 2. Multiplying these two terms, their power will be added. So we get 2 minus 1 by 2. Taking LCM, we get a minus x whole power 3 by 2. This is the value of this one. Okay, this is the value of this one. Now putting this value in equation number 1 mean putting this answer at the place of here, x into answer of this. Okay, using in equation 1, so we get dy upon dx is equal to x into answer, this whole answer of dy upon dx of that function, plus a plus x divided by a minus x and 1 by 2 from equation number. This is same, dx upon dx is 1, derivative of x is 1, which is this one. Okay, now taking power 1 by 2 on these two terms, a plus x and divided by a minus x, these terms are same. Or taking LCM, LCM is a plus x whole power 1 by 2 and a minus x whole power 1 by 2. We got a plus x into a plus x into a minus x, multiplying these two terms. Now we get, if we multiply these two, we get ax plus a square minus a x square divided by square root of a plus x into a minus x. Okay, question number 16 is here, which is important question. If y is equal to square root of x minus 1 upon square root of x, show that 2x dy upon dx plus y is equal to 2 square root of x. We want to show that this relation from to taking this equation. Okay, since y is equal to square root of x minus 1 upon square root of x. Okay, at the place of this square root we write x power 1 by 2, and at the place of this square root we write x power 1 by 2. Move from numerator to denominator, its power will become negative. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x, dy upon dx, here d upon dx into x power 1 by 2 minus x power minus 1 by 2. Now applying derivative on these two terms. Okay, applying at this term we get, taking applying power rule. Power rule is power before that function, mean power 1 by 2, so which become before 1 by 2 into this x, 1 by 2 into x whole power 1 by 2 minus 1 and subtract 1 from its power. हमने पढ़ा हो कि power rule ये होता है, power शुरू में power में से एक subtract कर लेते हैं, ठीक है, subtracting 1 from power. Taking derivative of inner function is x, and we know that dx upon dx 1 is 1. So we here write only this terms, ठीक है. तो dx upon dx 1 होता है, हमें इनर फंक्शन की यहाँ दोबारा से डेरिवेटिव लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक. देखें यहाँ पे again applying power rule. Power is minus 1 by 2, which comes before this function. This minus and this minus will become plus, so we get 1 by 2 x power minus 3 by 2, mean minus 1 by 2 minus 1, subtract 1 from its power, we get minus 3 by 2. देखें यहाँ हमने पावर रूल अप्लाई किया, यहाँ पहले टर्म में से पावर शुरू में आ गया 1 by 2 x पावर 1 by 2 minus 1 किया, एलसीएम ले जाता, आंसर आया minus 1 by 2. ये माइनस और इसकी पावर जब शुरू में लाई तो माइनस माइनस हो गया प्लस, तो ये आ गया 1 by 2, पावर शुरू में आ गई है, पावर में से एक कम किया, x पावर minus 1 by 2 minus 1 करें तो एलसीएम लेने के बाद हमारे पास आता है minus 3 by 2. So this is the value of dy upon dx. Multiplying 2x on both sides. 2x on both sides. Okay. Here in left side we get 2x into dy upon dx. Here 2x multiplying in numerator 2x. Here also 2x. 2 and 2 are cancel out. x and x multiplying, their power will be added. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to x power 1 by 2. And 2 and 2 is cancelled out. I mean this. Multiplying this 2x here, also here. Okay, this 2 and this 2 are cancelled out. This 2 and this one are cancelled out. And multiplying this x by this x, power will be adding, then we get x power 1 by 2. Here also, when these two terms x and x are multiplying with each other, their power will be adding. Okay, x power minus 1 by 2. Adding y on both sides, because we want this solution, d2x dy upon dx plus y. That's why adding y on both sides. Okay, this y on both sides, left side as well as right side. Now in right hand side, putting value of y from equation 1. From equation 1, value of y is square root of x minus 1 upon square root of x. So we put here value of y. This term and this term are cancelled out. This term and this are adding. Then we get x power 1 by 2 plus x power 1 by 2 is 2x power 1 by 2, which can be written as 2 into square root of x, which is the solution of our problem. Okay, question number 17 is prove that or show that if y is equal to x power 4 plus 2x square plus 2, prove that dy upon dx is equal to 4x square root of 1 minus x square. We want to prove this relation. Okay, and taking derivative of this dy upon dx, dy upon dx into x power 4 plus 2x square plus 2. Here applying power rule. Power come before this function and subtract 1 from power. Okay, also 2 come outside this derivative and applying power rule. Power is 2. 2 come before this function, this x, and subtract 1 from 2. And derivative of constant is 0. यहाँ हमने power rule apply किया, power शुरू में आई और power में से एक कम किया. 4 into x power 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, plus 2 times 4 into x power 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, dy upon dx is equal to, taking common 4x, we get x square plus 1. This is called equation number 1. Now again taking this equation, which is y is equal to x power 4 plus 2x square minus 2. Subtract 1 on both sides, on left hand side as well as right hand side. Y minus 1 is equal to x power 4 plus 2x square plus 2 minus 1. Taking minus 1 on both sides. Okay, this 2 minus 1 is plus 1. We know that this is a complete square of x square plus 1 whole square. If we open this, we get x power 4 plus 2x square plus 1. And next, okay, taking square root on both sides, square root of this as well as square root of this. In right hand side, square and root are cancelled out. We get square root of 1 minus y is equal to x square plus 1, which can also be written as x square plus 1 is equal to square root of 1 minus y. Putting this value of x square plus 1 in equation 1. Equation 1 is dy upon dx is equal to 4x as it is. At the place of x square plus 1, we put square root of y minus 1, which is a required solution. Okay, next exercise, inshallah, we will learn in next lecture. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Good luck.